reconcile with God. Those of you that are not serious with God now, at least when you retire, plan to be serious with your God, because after retirement, there's no other work other than to go to heaven. Make and have a will to prevent whether they hospital. Now, this one is a very sensitive one. This number one, this number two. To make a will. How many people have a will here? We don't do, because we are afraid that when we make a will, it means you want to die, or that the people may want to kill you. It's not like that. So you don't do a will and announce to everybody. It's not between you and your lawyer. When you are in office, you have your office people, maybe because it's part of your what do you call it, terms of service. That when somebody is sick, the OC should go and look for somebody to look for you. When you are retired, you don't have any OC to look for you again. And no officer called that will look for you again.
I want to encourage us that it's never too late to start well. Then I want us to keep quality friends, association, network of friends. They help sometimes. Because I know people that their friends are really lifted up. So while we are working and in the service, we should network. It's a good thing to network. Have quality friends. Once we network, we can always fall on that thing. There are people that we can share ideas with, that can benefit you one way or another. Don't look for friends that will take away from you. Look for people that you share ideas, add quality to your life.
He invited me because when I was in zone F, Badon, as controller zone F, Sadiq was in DCI under me. That relationship, he remembered it, and he knew that I was a guy, so he was not looking for a resource person. He called me. Now he could have called somebody else. When she entered the immigration, I was Alagmo. We were the people. I was one of the people that inducted her, and then she even sat under me in HRM.
We thank God for a day like this, for making it possible for all of us to be engaged in this 2 days training, which is highly impactful. To our resource person, retired but not tired, ACG Kilo. Sir, I want to say thank you very much. Your name has gone far and wide. You have developed yourself, and you continue to develop yourself, but you don't want it to be a personal thing. You still want to share. Go for MMIA Command is second to none. Once again, sir, you say thank you very much. Our controller, sir, thank you for helping to the area, for organizing and partnering, like you said. Relationship, networking. It's a networking with our ACG that has control in our ways to our course participants. Once again, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for making this training, an interactive one. I believe strongly that we must have benefited in all this ramification, both on migration and retirement stages, whatever. We have gained a lot from this. Thank you once again for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.